What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today, I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Friheten sleeper sofa in dark gray I picked up at Ikea for $4.99. Out of 5 stars, it gets 4 out of 200 customer reviews. Today I figured we would take a quick look at it through Apple AR, through Ikea Place, and just give you some of my first impressions on this sofa. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we've got the Friheten sofa there. I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced, but it's $4.99. We'll go ahead and place it in the center of the gazebo here. As you can see, we've got plenty of room there. We've got the camera set up there, so you can see me walking around like a goofball. And we've got the beautiful fountain going off there. Let's go ahead and get into the sofa review. So, yeah, it is a sleeper sofa. As you can see, it's like this dark gray heather material. What I've noticed is you can actually see in between the sofa using AR, but this is a sleeper sofa and AR is pretty accurate. This is a little bit of a take back for me. I think this sort of takes away from the quality and the overall aesthetic. The fact that you can see this, you know, the sleeper mechanism down there through the cushions, kind of lacking a little bit of elegance there, but you know, this is a pretty inexpensive sofa, excuse me. It is a sleeper sofa, and I think it does come with some storage underneath. So maybe like this main cushion lifts up and you can store things underneath. As you can see, you do get 3 pillows. They are of pretty decent cushion. Of course, I don't know what it's like to sit on this sofa because it's not here physically in reality, but it is here in augmented reality. And what I can tell you is that they look fairly comfortable. Let's go ahead and take a look at the seat cushion, how thick it is. As you can see there, pretty decent size cushion. What I've actually noticed is the base of this cushion tends to sit back a little bit further. So if you're someone who is short, maybe you will find this sofa to be a little bit uncomfortable because your feet will be tangling off. I am 6'2", so I could probably sit here just fine. But speaking of sitting here, let's take a look at that armrest. Oop, there's my foot there. It's a pretty nice width. I would say that that's pretty comfortable, but this should give you a pretty good idea of what type of sofa we're looking at here. You know, the fact that you can see down in between the cushions there, probably not IKEA's best piece, but I would say if you've got like a rental or you live in a dorm or something like that, this would be absolutely phenomenal. Let's actually go ahead and move it over to this bench here and see if we can't compare it in size. Something interesting that I want to note about this sofa is that it does look like it sits pretty low to the ground when compared to this bench here. It might not be that tall. The back might not be that high when compared to this bench here. So if that's something that you're concerned about, then that is something to take into consideration. Let's go ahead and move the sofa into the center of the living room here and see if we can't pull in like an ottoman, and maybe let's try an armchair as well. So we'll go with the let's see here, which one would look nice. Ooh, this one would look pretty sharp. So we'll go ahead and add this armchair in. Hopefully it comes up. There we go. Go ahead and make a nice little living room set here. So we've got that chair. This is the Noel Myra for $39.99. Can't beat IKEA prices, by the way. And then we'll go ahead and add in some kind of ottoman, or yeah, let's see what we can add here. Sofa beds, footstools. Here we go. This is the footstool that I wanted to look at. So we can go ahead and place it. We'll place it right there. And we'll go ahead and just put it right in front of our sofa there. Really pretty sharp. Yeah, this footstool is $220, a little bit on the pricey side. But yeah, it goes great with black. It goes great with pretty much any, chair that you want to place it with of similar color, obviously. This is a pretty minimalist setup here, I would say. Great for a dorm room or some kind of rental. Again, like I was saying earlier, not sure how, tall the back of this sofa is. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that first look at the Friheten sofa I picked up at Ikea for $4.99. Out of 5 stars, it gets 4. Out of 200 customer reviews, because I picked it up at Ikea, that does make it a big box good. Anyways, guys, my name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video idea, hit that like button, subscribe to see more furniture reviews like this. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.